Picking the right health insurance plan means thinking about what you and your family need. First, look at things like your age, medical history, and what health services you might need. Check which doctors and hospitals are part of the plan you're thinking about. Make sure it covers important things like checkups and medicine you might need. Think about how much you can pay each month and what you have to pay when you visit the doctor. It's also good to see if the plan helps with the cost of medicines. Some plans might give you extra things like wellness programs. Look at different plans, and you can ask someone who knows a lot about insurance for help. In today's video, we're talking about something really important: picking the best health insurance for your family. There are so many choices out there that it can be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to help you step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose the right plan for your family. It's like giving them a safety blanket. So, here's a question. Have you ever wondered how to find the perfect health insurance for your family? Well, that's what we're going to explore together. And by the time we're done, you'll feel super confident about making the best choice for your family's health. Assessing your family's needs. The very first thing you need to do when picking a health insurance plan is to think about your family, the people you care about most. It's like putting together a puzzle that fits perfectly for everyone. So take a moment and think about each person in your family. Are there little ones who might need to see the doctor a lot? Or maybe there are older family members who need special attention. It's a bit like knowing what each piece of the puzzle looks like. When you figure out these things, it's like finding the right path or the right choice for your family's health. Understanding different types of plans. Now that you've taken a close look at what your family really needs, we're going to explore the world of health insurance plans. It's like opening a treasure chest full of options. Think of it as picking the right shoes for different kinds of adventures. There are three main types to choose from: Health Maintenance Organization (HMO), Preferred Provider Organization (PPO), and Point of Service (POS) plans. Each type is like a different path to keeping your family healthy. They have good things and things you might need to think about, just like when you choose the best path for a special journey. Network coverage. Moving forward, let's have a heart-to-heart about network coverage. It's like having a map to navigate through a new place. With some plans, you have a group of healthcare providers you can visit, like having a close-knit group of friends. Other plans let you choose from a wider range of doctors and hospitals. It's like having a bigger circle of friends. So if you have doctors or hospitals you really like, it's important to check if they're in the plan's network. Think of it as making sure your friends are coming along for the journey. Remember, if you go to places outside the network, it might cost you more. A bit like exploring new places that might have unexpected expenses. Benefits and coverage. They say the little things matter the most, and when it comes to health insurance plans, it's absolutely true. Think of it like reading a favorite book. You want to make sure you don't miss any important parts. So take your time to really look closely at the benefits and coverage each plan offers. Does it cover the things you need, like checkups, medicines, or help when you're having a baby? And don't forget about taking care of your mind too, like having someone to talk to when you need it. It's like having all the chapters of the book in place. Make sure you go through all the details so you don't have any surprises later on, just like making sure you know the whole story. Cost considerations. Beyond the monthly payment, there's a whole world of costs to think about. It's a bit like when you plan for a special day out. There's something called a deductible, which is like a starting line you have to cross before the plan helps with bills. Then there are co-payments and co-insurance, which are like sharing the costs with the plan. Imagine it's like everyone chipping in for a fun day together. Sometimes a plan with a low monthly payment might seem like the best choice, but it could mean you have to pay more when you actually need help. It's like choosing between different ways to spend your money, on the fun stuff or on the practical stuff. Prescription drug coverage. Think about prescription medications like important pieces of a puzzle that help you feel better, sort of like when you put together a big picture puzzle. They're a bit like yummy snacks you have at a picnic. They make the experience even better. So, when you're checking out different plans, make sure to see how they help with your medicines. Are the medicines you always take covered by the plan? It's a bit like making sure you have all your favorite snacks with you. And remember the co-payment thing. That's the small amount you pay for your medicine. Different medicines might have different co-payments, a bit like snacks having different prices. It's super important to pay attention to these details, just like you wouldn't want to forget any tasty treats for your picnic. Additional services and perks. Some health insurance plans come with cool extras, a bit like getting a surprise present with something you really like. These extras can make your plan even better. Think about joining wellness programs that help you stay healthy, like having a guide to show you the way. And there's a thing called telehealth. It's like talking to a doctor on your computer or phone, which is super easy. Plus, some plans might give you discounts on gym memberships. It's like having a buddy to help you stay active. Now, while these things might not be the main reason you pick a plan, they're like a special bonus that makes everything nicer. It's like getting an extra topping on your favorite dessert. It's just awesome. Comparing and contrasting. Now that you know a lot of important stuff, it's time to do something like comparing two things, just like when you choose what game to play. Take all the plans you learned about and look at them closely. You can even make a special list or chart, sort of like drawing a map. Write down the important things about each plan, like what it helps with and how much it costs. This list or map will make things really clear and help you see which plan is the best fit for your family. It's like finding the right piece for a puzzle. Seek professional guidance. Feeling a little stressed? Don't worry, it happens to everyone. If you're finding all this info a bit too much, it's totally okay. You know, it's like when you have a big pile of books to read and you're not sure where to start. That's when you can ask for help from someone who knows a lot about this stuff. It's a bit like having a guide who can show you the way. There are special people called insurance agents or brokers who are like those guides. They can give you really smart advice that fits your family's needs, just like finding the best book to read next. They can also help you understand all the tricky words in small print, a bit like helping you read a really tough story. Annual review. Life is like a big adventure, always changing and growing. Just like how you might change your favorite color or what you like to eat, your family's needs might change too. So, it's really important to look at your health insurance plan every year, kind of like checking the map to make sure you're on the right path. If anything is different, maybe someone in your family is feeling a little different or things have changed with money, it can affect what plan is best for you. It's like making sure you have the right gear for each new adventure. So stay out of the game and make changes to your plan if you need to. It's like adjusting your compass to always head in the right direction. Remember, it's all about keeping your family's health journey on the right track. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to make an informed decision that ensures your loved ones are covered when they need it most. Don't rush this process. Take the time to thoroughly research and analyze your options. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.